Apple. Wow! Look at the shiny red apple. A is for apple, sweet, round, and juicy. Can you say A for apple?
B. Ball. Here comes a bright bouncing ball. B is for ball, boing, boing. Let's bounce along and say B for ball.
C. Cat. Meow. A cute little cat is waving hello. C is for cat, soft, furry, and friendly. Say C for cat.
D. Dog. Woof woof. The dog is wagging his tail. D is for dog, playful and loyal. Say D for dog.
E. Elephant. Look at the big elephant. E is for elephant, strong, smart, and kind. Can you say E for elephant?
F. Fish. Swish, swish. The fish is swimming fast. F is for fish, colorful and cool. Say F for fish.
G. Grapes. Yummy grapes. G is for grapes, purple, juicy, and sweet. Say G for grapes.
H. House. Wow! What a cozy little house. H is for house, a safe, happy home. Say H for house.
I. Ice cream. Delicious. I is for ice cream, cold, creamy, and fun. Say I for ice cream.
J. Juice. Look at that fresh orange juice. J is for juice, healthy and tasty. Can you say J for juice?
K. Kite. Up, up, and away. The kite is flying high. K is for kite, so bright and light. Say K for kite.
L. Lion. Roar. The lion is the king of the jungle. L is for lion, brave and strong. Say L for lion.
M. Moon. Look up. The moon is shining bright. M is for moon, round and glowing. Say M for moon.
N. Nest. See that little nest? N is for nest, soft and safe for baby birds. Say N for nest.
O. Orange. Fresh and round, it's an orange. O is for orange, full of vitamin C. Say O for orange.
P. Penguin. Waddle waddle. The penguin is so cute. P is for penguin, cool and funny. Say P for penguin.
Q. Queen. Here comes the queen with her shiny crown. Q is for queen, royal and kind. Say Q for queen.
R. Rainbow. Wow! Look at the colorful rainbow. R is for rainbow, bright and beautiful. Say R for rainbow.
S. Sun. Shining so bright, it's the sun. S is for sun, warm and full of light. Say S for sun.
T. Tree. See the tall tree full of leaves. T is for tree, strong and green. Say T for tree.
U. Umbrella. Open your umbrella, it's raining. U is for umbrella, keeps us dry. Say U for umbrella.
V. Violin. Listen. The violin plays a sweet tune. V is for violin, musical and smooth. Say V for violin.
W. Watch. Tick-tock, tick-tock. The watch tells time. W is for watch, always on time. Say W for watch.
X. Xylophone. Ting ting ting. The xylophone makes fun sounds. X is for xylophone, let's play along. Say X for xylophone.
Y. Yacht. Wow! The yacht is sailing on the sea. Y is for yacht, fast and fancy. Say Y for yacht.
Z, zebra. Look at the zebra's black and white stripes. Z is for zebra, zigzag and cool. Say Z for zebra,